Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Posa, and if today is your first time of watching my video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't also forget to push on your notification in order to be notified when my next video drops. Alright, if you have been following my video, I believe and I hope my strategies has been working effectively for you. Yeah, like I always say, no strategy is 100%. So you just have to master a particular strategy in order to be able to use it to maximize your own profit. Once you want to win on the static index market, is your ability to minimize your loss. Once you can minimize your loss, you are good to go. As a trader, as a young trader, losing is inevitable. There's always room for you to lose. You don't just win every day. So your ability to minimize those losses is what makes it more effective for you. All right, without wasting any of your time today, I'll be sharing with you a strategy that works perfectly on the boom and crash market. This is very important. This strategy has been tested and it's working effectively. Now, all you need are just simple indicators that I'm about to show you here. Now, if you have knowledge on price action, this strategy will be very, very effective for you. This strategy will be very, very effective for you. It works 80%. It's work very effective. Like I do say, no strategy is 100%, so don't be deceived. Now, if you don't have knowledge on trading, it's advisable you get basic knowledge on trading in order not to lose your money on the forex market. You can check the description, you can follow my Telegram, and also you can message me on WhatsApp for mentorship and training. Now, what do you need when trading? As you can see here, this is the main chart. As you can see, let me bring out my arrow to make it more easy for illustration. Now, like I always do say, you trade on boom, on uptrend. Don't forget this. You trade on boom, on uptrend. Now the boom 500 and the crash 1000. Sorry, the boom 500 and the boom 1000. You trade on uptrend. This is very important because it gives you a clearer way of catching spikes with this strategy. Now, if you switch to a higher time frame, you know that this market is already on uptrend. As you can see, it's already on uptrend here. Very, very important. Now, you can do your analysis from a higher time frame, scaling it down to a lower time frame. This is very important. With the time frame, you can easily check for the trend of the market. Now, as you can see here, it's already on uptrend. This market is already on uptrend. As you can see here, it's already on uptrend. Now, this strategy, you don't need too much indicators. As you can see on my chart here, you don't need too much indicators to use this strategy. You don't need too much indicators to use this strategy. Now, the zoom level for this strategy is just so easy. It's so easy. The zoom level is this. You zoom in, as you can see here, all in. Now on M1, don't forget this, on M1. Now, once this moving average line here is touching this lower Bollinger Band here, it's a signal for you to place your trade. Now, once it's touching this upper Bollinger Band here, enveloping it, that's another signal that it will continue. It's already on uptrend. It's already on uptrend. Now, once it's also touching the middle Bollinger Band, as you can see here, it's already a signal for you to place your trade. You can check previous markets. As you can see, you can see. Now, don't forget to trade on this, to trade on Boom 500 or Boom 1000, whichever thing I'm teaching you on Boom 500. Same applies to Boom 1000. Same applies to Boom 1000. Now, don't forget to always know the trend of the market. Now, using this indicator below alone helps you, and I'll be sharing the settings with you. The settings are very, very easy. Once you are able to set your chart the same way you're seeing mine here, it will be easy for you to catch these spikes. And not forget, no strategy is 100%. That's why I always advise young traders that do come to me to always practice every strategy they get from me in order to understand more on how you can use a particular strategy effectively. You might even get something new from a particular strategy. This is very, very important. Now, the same applies for opposites. Apply for crash markets. As you can see here, the crash, you trade on crash market on downtrend. Don't forget this. Now, using your time frame, you can easily dictate if if a market is on downtrend or an uptrend. As you can see here, using my analysis I did earlier, I already know that this is already falling. It's already on a downtrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. And this is very important. You know these things, because if you don't know how to check the time frame of a particular trade, it's very, very difficult for you to aim for the spikes. So as you can see here on my chart, you can see that it's already on downtrend, and you can see the trades, you can see the spikes already falling in place for this particular market. You can see the spike already falling in place for this particular market. As you can see here, you can see them. You can see. Now, this strategy is very easy. Now, what I just showed you on Boom, the same opposite apply for crash. Now, this is the upper Bollinger Band. Once it's touching it here, as you can see here, it's a signal for you to place your trade. Don't forget, it should be on downtrend. This is very important. It should be on downtrend, because you aim for spikes on downtrend, because the market crash to the downside. Now, if you start aiming for spikes when it's on uptrend, you'll be getting retracements, which are just little spikes, and it might not spike for long. You might spike a little and start progressing to the upside. Now, these are things that you need to understand when trading on boom and crash market. Don't forget, you can always reach me for clarification. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. You can join my Telegram group. You can always reach me for clarification. As you can see here, these are the charts. It's very easy for you to use this strategy. Using this chart here, once it's touching the upper Bollinger Band, you can check previous market. Once it's touching the upper Bollinger Band here, it's a short signal for you to place your trade. For you to confirm where, you can allow it to spike once before you start aiming for the crash. Don't forget, it should be on downtrend on crash. Don't forget this. Now, I'll be sharing the indicators that I use with you. Now, the first on my list will be the Bollinger Band. This is the settings: normal, period 20, shift 0, deviation 2. Don't forget, you can pause the video to check the settings clearly. Now, once you're done, you click on done. This pops out. This Bollinger Band here. This is the upper Bollinger Band, the middle, and the lower Bollinger Band. Don't forget, you can use the average 48 line to check the trend of the market. Don't forget this. You can also apply your average 48 line techniques to check the trend of a particular market. All right. Now the next on our list will be the moving average 10. Now once you are done with these settings, you click on done. Now this pops out on the second chart here. As you can see, this pops out. Now the next would be our Bollinger Band. Same settings with the previous one. Once you are done, you click on done. Now this is the the lower, middle, and upper Bollinger Band. Now with this alone, you are good to go. Don't forget, always practice every strategy. Now this strategy has been tested and it's working perfectly well. Alright, do not forget, you can always reach me on my WhatsApp for clarification. My number is on the description. You can check for my number. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Alright guys, that will be all for now. I hope this strategy finds you well and you're able to use it to maximize your profits. Alright, do have a lovely day and see you on my next video. Bye for now.